Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Rogaine Women's 5% topical once a day treatment for hair loss. It helps to regrow fuller, thicker hair. It's received 4.1 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item, and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Ladies, hair loss doesn't have to hold you back from feeling your best. Introducing Rogaine Women, the #1 dermatologist-recommended solution for regrowing thicker, fuller hair. It's been clinically proven and specially formulated for women. This once-a-day treatment targets hereditary hair loss directly at the root. Its active ingredient reactivates hair follicles, promoting regrowth where thinning occurs. Here's a simple guide on how to use Rogaine 5% foam for women. Ensure your scalp is clean and completely dry before applying the foam. Dispense half a capful of foam onto your clean, dry hands, then gently massage the foam into your scalp, focusing on the areas where you're experiencing hair thinning. Let the foam dry completely before styling your hair. For best results, apply Rogaine 5% foam once a day. The key is consistency. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.